and we are
The Fundamentals of English Teachers.
Welcome to online class.
Before we start our lesson for today, please prepare the following. Number 1,
Pencil.
number 2, notebook,
Number 3, eraser.
ค่ะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่บทเรียนออนไลน์นะคะ นักเรียนเตรียมสมุดดินสอ และก็ยางลบค่ะ
Today, we're going to talk about greetings and polite expressions. And here is our objectives. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to: number 1, practice a dialogue about proper greetings and polite expressions. 2, state examples of greetings and polite expressions and their appropriate responses. 3, apply the correct usage of proper greetings and polite expressions in their daily lives. Okay, let's start. Number 1, you see your friend at school. What are you going to say?
Hi!
Hello. Number 2, on your way to the classroom one morning, you see your teacher. What are you going to say?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. 3, in afternoon class, you see your teacher. What are you going to say to her?
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. 4, playtime is over and it is time to leave your friends at the park. What are you going to tell them?
Goodbye.
See you later. 5, what are you going to say when someone helps or does you a favor?
Thank you.
You're welcome. 6, you accidentally break your mother's flower vase. What are you going to say to her?
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's all right. 7, what are you going to say when someone says, "Nice to meet you"?
Nice to meet you too.
8, what are you going to say when someone asks, "How are you"?
I'm fine.
9, what are you going to say when you want to borrow something?
May I borrow your book, please?
Yes, you may. Everyone loves a polite kid, so you must use the greetings and polite expressions at all times. Okay, now let's practice. These are the greetings and polite expressions, and what are the appropriate response? Then you say,
Hi.
hello.
Good morning.
You will say, good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Goodbye.
See you later.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. It's all right.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm okay. You can also say, I'm good. I'm great. Or you can say, I'm sad. I'm bored.
May I borrow your book, please?
Yes, you may. Okay, now let's go to activity 3. Here are the directions. What polite expressions are you going to use in each situation? You're going to circle the letter of the correct answer. Are you ready, kids?
Number 1. On your way to the classroom one morning, you see Teacher N What are you going to say?
A. Good afternoon, Teacher Anne. B. Good morning, Teacher Anne. C. I'm sorry, Teacher Anne. Or D. Thank you, Teacher Anne.
Number 2. Playtime is over, and it is time to leave your friends at the park. What are you going to tell them?
A. Good evening. B. How are you? C. Goodbye. Or D. Good morning.
Number 3. You see an old lady having a hard time carrying her basket of fruits. You want to help her. What are you going to say?
A. May I help you? B. Sorry. C. Goodbye. D. Good evening.
Number 4. You accidentally break your mother's flower vase. What are you going to say to her?
A. Good morning. B. I'm sorry. C. Thank you. D. Good night.
Number 5. What are you going to say when someone helps or does you a favor?
A. Thank you. B. How are you? C. I'm sorry. D. Good evening.
ครูอายก็จะมาทบทวนเกี่ยวกับบทเรียนการกล่าวคำทักทายที่สุภาพนะคะ เมื่อครูอายพูดว่า Hi นักเรียนก็จะตอบว่า Hello Good morning Good morning Good afternoon Good afternoon Goodbye See you later Thank you You're welcome I'm sorry That's okay หรือ It's alright Nice to meet you Nice to meet you too How are you I'm fine หรือว่า I'm okay หรือ I'm good I'm fresh and I'm sad และอันสุดท้าย May I borrow your book please Yes you may ก็จบลงเกี่ยวกับการกล่าวคำทักทายแล้วนะคะ แล้วพบกันใหม่ในบทเรียนต่อไปค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ